Hi, it's Jacqueline Watson from J. Watson Homes, but today I'm actually unboxing or opening the Dyson Airwrap Complete. So this kit comes with, it's called the gift pack. And so it comes with this tool, the hairdryer, the different barrels, the firm smoothing brush, the soft smoothing brush, and then the round volumizing brush. So who am I kidding? I've already opened it up and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. So it comes in this case, and it's this leather case, and inside the leather case you'll find this little, I guess, handy dandy little thingamajig, and it has one of these little pads that you can rest your Dyson on when you're using it. And so this is the tool. So this is the hairdryer. It has a really long cord, and inside the kit you'll see that it has this round brush. It has these tools, and this kit and this, it's two different sizes, and you get one for each size. So you get two of these, one for each size, and then you'll get this little attachment, which is the hairdryer piece. So the cool thing about it is it just attaches. It has a clip at the back, and so you would just hit the clip, and it's like a magnet. It just attaches. This is what it's has a on and off button, a cold shot, temperatures, and speeds. So that's it. I will post another video of what the hair looks like once you've curled it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.